Hi there my beading friends, I'm Teddy from Bijouteo Beading, and today in super easy steps I will show you how to make this elegant checkmate bracelet. If you want to see more content from me, subscribe with the bell, like, share and comment, and the other option is to become a member that comes with multiple perks like video courses and digital beading patterns. Check more in description or at the join button. I'm using 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, clasp, nylon thread, beading needle, scissors. You can pause on this frame or take a look in description. And I start, guys, with picking up 4 beautiful pink beads. I'm sliding those down, and here I will leave a small tail, let's say 10 inches or 25 centimeters, and I will use it later to add my clasp from this side. And now what I want to do is to go back in circle through those beads, and when I go back I'm here in a position to make a knot. How I'm making a knot I will show you slowly. Just make a loop and go twice through the loop you made with your tail thread, and then pull, but be sure you are between those 2 beads where you started your knot from. I'm going to take just 1 silver bead. You see 1 silver, and as I'm exiting from this pink, I'm going in the next pink. Again, I do it from every side, guys. Then what I want to do is to exit through this silver one, and I want to make the same element but the other way around. And how? I will show you. Slide those down, go backwards through all of those 4, pull them like this. You see, now I have a center of another element like this, and I want to go through this silver, guys. Exiting out of this blue, I'm going through the silver, and through the next blue. Then in order to make this to look like this, what I need are silver beads on the edge. And you see what I have? 2 elements that are absolutely the same, just they share 1 silver bead here in the center. And what I want to do, just to exit here, from this silver, and in this way I'm in a position to make another element like this. I told you guys, this is so simple that you're gonna be able to do this for sure. So I take 4 again, and I want to make a circle of those 4. Okay. Now I want this silver to be between this pink and this pink. That is why I will go through it, and I will go through the next pink. And I'm sure you know what to do next, guys. You will just need to add silvers on the edges, Now guys, I have the first row of my bracelet ready, and my whole bracelet will consist of these rows, but I will make a checkmate pattern here. So where I have pink, I will take blue instead in the next step. And I do the same thing as before. Go backwards through all of those beads. Go through this silver here. Through the next blue. And add silvers. Here I will add a pink one because I have a blue in my previous row. So I have 4 pink beads. Slide down. And as always, go back. And pull them. Now I will flip this because I want the silver to be between these 2 pinks. Okay, now this silver is between those 2 pinks. Another silver, as always. Another silver, as always. And here pay attention guys, because those elements share beads, share the silver beads between them. Here I won't be adding another silver bead because I will use this one from my previous element to be the one between these 2 pinks. Okay. So this is the only catch here that you should be careful for. So when you add the next row, you see this silver is also used by this pink, and this silver is also used by this pink, but you will use them for the blue as well. So you have 4 blue, slide those down, go back. Okay, now this silver is between those 2 blue beads, and I'm going like this. Now I ask myself, when I'm here, do I need to add another silver, or I have a silver that I could use? And the answer is I have a silver from the previous row that I want to use for this element as well. Okay. These 2 I'm adding. I don't have anything to use from the outside, so I'm adding them. Okay, now I'm in a position to start the next row. And how I started, always with 4 and always with the opposite color. So if I have blue, here it should be pink. then you always go backwards through all of those beads. Use these silver guys to fit between the pink beads. My element flipped for a while, but I turned it the right direction. Okay, another one, another one, and another one. In order to continue, I will reinforce and I want to exit out of a silver bead. I'm asking the question, what's coming up next? And the answer is blue. Here I'm asking another question. Do I have something that I could use, or should I add a new one? And yes, I have something, some silver bead that I could use from the previous row. And if I don't use it here, I will have two silver beads and those won't be connected. That's why it's telling me that I need to use this silver. Yes, the pattern is telling me what to do once I get it. It logically is telling me what's coming up next. Okay, then what is coming? For sure we need pink. And we have a silver to use. Okay, friends, and I will continue this absolutely the same way. If you forget how I'm doing it, just rewind the video from here and add more and more rows. And if your thread is over, just make a note, cut it and add a new one. If you don't know how to do this, write in Google how to add new thread to a project and you will see. I will make my desired length and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I did 30 rows. Maybe you would want to add more rows or less rows, it depends on you. So now here I want to fill in these gaps with silver beads. Okay, then I'm coming back like this. And I need 2 seed beads, earring finding, and 2 seed beads. And I'm going back in circle here, just like this. and then you can go and reinforce. After you reinforce, make a knot, and cut this thread. Okay, then I'll come to this side and I'll do absolutely the same thing, but instead of adding a clasp like here, I will add this jump ring. So I'm repeating everything as it is, but with the jump ring. I'll do this off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now my easy and fast checkmate elegant bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, please subscribe with the bell, also like, share and comment. You could support me as becoming a member, which comes with a lot of perks like video courses and gallery with digital patterns. Thank you for being here with me for this fast and easy tutorial. See you soon.